Hey everyone, in this video I'll walk you through 5 powerful AWS projects that you can build even as a beginner to strengthen your resume, show off your skills and impress potential employers. So why do projects matter? Certifications are great for getting through automated systems, but real-world projects show employers that you can actually solve problems and use AWS in practice. So project one, host a personal website using your Amazon S3. You'll upload HTML files, configure permissions, link a domain, and speed it up with CloudFront. This is a great way to showcase both your resume and your AWS skills on AWS itself. Next up, deploy a secure web server using EC2. You'll set up an instance, install a web app, and learn how to manage firewall rules and basic monitoring. This gives you hands-on experience with one of AWS most used services. Project 3, build a serverless contact form. When someone submits the form, it triggers AWS Lambda, sends you an email with a CS, and saves this message in DynamoDB. It's a simple but powerful example of real-world serverless automation. Project number 4, protecting data is critical and AWS makes it easy. So create an automated backup system. With this project, you set up S3 buckets that automatically move data to Glacier for backup and long-term storage. No code required. It's an excellent resume builder for cloud storage and automation. Then the last one, project number 5, deploy a scalable web application using EC2, Elastic, Cloud Balancing, and Autoscaling. You build a highly available app that can handle traffic spikes and recover from failures automatically, a huge win on your resume. So here are tips to present your projects. Once you've built these projects, don't keep them to yourself. Write up what you did, what tools you used, and what you learned. Post the code on GitHub, share your progress on LinkedIn, and focus on the real world problems your project solves. So yes, projects are the key to unlocking job interviews, building confidence, and landing that cloud role. Pick just one of these projects and start today. Even small progress adds up. Yeah, and that's all we have for you in this video. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more AWS career content. See you in our next video.